everybody, and welcome back. I'm Lynn, and in today's video we're doing a breakfast idea, and we're going to be using yogurt. So y'all come on, and I'm going to show you this quick way to make an easy breakfast using some yogurt. Welcome back. Today we're making an easy treat or breakfast idea using some Greek yogurt. It's high in protein. Let's get started. This is the brand of yogurt we're going to be using. I like using this because it has a lot of protein in it and it's low in sugar. So this is the one we're using. If you have any other kind of yogurt, you could use whatever you have. We're going to just eyeball it, but we're going to measure out probably around a good cup and a half, because this is going to be our breakfast. Okay, now this is not a sweet yogurt, so we're going to be adding a little maple syrup to this. We're going to give our yogurt a little mix before we start adding our other ingredients in. And now we're going to add around a tablespoon of this creamy peanut butter. And now I'm going to add around a tablespoon of maple syrup. Now if you didn't want to use maple syrup, you could use some stevia and sweeten it a little. But today I decided to go with the maple syrup, but you can use stevia or any kind of sweetener of your choice. And now we're just going to give that a mix. I'm actually going to set my bowl on this so I don't mess up my ceramic bowl. We're going to give that a good mix. And blend in that peanut butter and that maple syrup. And now we're going to just peel this Pink Lady apple. And we're going to dice up little bitty pieces of diced up apples in our yogurt. We'll probably use around half of this apple. I'm going to dice up a few almonds. And now we're going to take one little Hershey Kiss. And if you had a different kind of chocolate, you could even use whatever dark chocolate, you could use it. But today I've got some of these, and we're going to just grate up this one little chocolate Hershey Kiss on it. Just a little. So now we have an easy breakfast, or you could use this as a meal. for like lunch or even just for a snack and make it a little bit smaller. But today, this is going to be what we're eating for breakfast, using some yogurt that's high in protein. Okay, y'all, I hope you like our video on how we made this easy breakfast using some high protein yogurt. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Thanks for watching.